back to Always Alyssa. How are you guys doing today? Hopefully you're all doing amazing. So first of all, before I continue, let me say, don't mind my wet hair because I just hopped out of the shower because I was at soccer training and I was all sweaty. So I had to rinse off. But anyways, you've probably already guessed that I'm going to be doing an art tutorial today based on the setup. But I have been looking a lot at the comments you guys have been leaving on my previous art tutorials, and you guys keep saying to do different animals like a fox. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a realistic Prismacolor fox. This one I think turned out super well, and I can't wait to teach it to you guys. It's going to be so much fun. So all you're going to need is, well, colored pencils, and I think I've told you guys this before, but I recommend either Magic Fly brand or Prismacolors. Those are two best ones that I like to use. And then you're going to need a pencil, an eraser. You might need a pencil sharpener for your colored pencils too. I tend to use it a lot for the white ones. And you're going to use toned tan or toned gray paper sketchbook. Okay, I'm going to give you guys just like a little tip of how I usually get started with this. So I'll usually just pick, oh, I almost forgot to mention, you'll also need a ruler. Anyways, I just pick a flat page, I get my ruler, I draw out kind of the basic design of it, and then I add in the little details. And for fur, which is kind of a hard thing to draw, I usually do just like a base color. Like, for example, if the fox is orange, I'll just do kind of orange and maybe some reds and browns for shadows and maybe a little bit of yellow, just blend it, so just a flat color. Like, I'll press pretty light, and then I'll go in when I'm ready and I'll do a couple of strokes just with the orange or the red and do it like one hard stroke, like another stroke, and I'll just keep doing that until it makes, you know, fur. So that's how I like to do it. Sometimes I'll sharpen my white up a ton. Like, all of my whites I have here are like super sharpened, and this one's actually kind of dull, but I sharpen them all the time. I always run out of whites. They get smaller and smaller, but as you can see. But I do put some white on top of the fur to give it more highlights and make it look more realistic. So those are some tips. Okay, I'll give you guys a little example. So we're just going to pretend that this is the fox's fur. I'll do a couple different shades of orange in here. And then I'm just going to take this color right here and just do a couple of strokes. And then once it starts to get dull, you can sharpen it or use a new color. And that's the basic of how to draw fur. I didn't finish this part, but you guys get it. Okay, here's the full example. Kind of going from red to yellow, so that's kind of fading from shadow to bright, but that's kind of what I'm going to be doing on today's fox. I use this test page a lot, especially for my white pencils or my white gel pens. Sometimes they don't work, so that's why I test them. And I also use this page a lot, you know, just to make sure what colors I'm going to use are right and, you know, all that sort of stuff. So yeah, I'll usually have a test page at the back of my sketchbooks.
have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head.
Okay, that was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun doing that. I think it turned out pretty good. I really like this one, especially since it's my favorite animal, and I can't wait to see which animal I'm going to draw next time. Make sure you guys keep leaving comments and telling me what animals to draw, because this was because of some of you guys who commented for me to do a fox, and I did it. So yeah, this was super fun, and if you followed along, that's amazing. Great job. And make sure to comment and tell me on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, any of those, and post a picture showing me that you finished it. I definitely want to see. That would be so awesome. But anyways, make sure you leave a like on this video if you liked it. I hope you did. And I'm super excited to do another one of these tutorials. These are some of my favorite videos to do. They're so much fun. I love just sitting at my desk, even though it kind of takes a long time, hours. I love sitting there and doing this art. It's just so much fun. My favorite thing ever. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching this or even doing the art just as much as I do. And I'll see you guys later. Bye!